Hi guys, for today's video I'm going to be talking about Pat McGrath's palette. Mothership, it does not have a number. It is going to be Mothership, I think this is the first one. This is my favorite out of the first three. The reason why is because I love a lot of these shades. So, for today's video I'm going to be talking about the top 5 favorite shades of this palette. For this palette, it's honestly kind of hard. So let's start. Probably my favorite one is going to be this one. This one is like, I don't know if you can tell, but it's like a pink shift to blue. Let's put it over here. Oh, Jeffree Star has a highlighter like this called Hypothermia. These shades are, I want to say, identical to the Supreme Frost, because I know they're both made in Italy, so it makes sense. But, so this is the first one. The second one, dude, honestly, these 4, I feel like they're my favorite for, I feel like that's how it is for all of them. So let's swatch this. This is a hardcore blue. Right there. It kind of reminds me of this green one. And then let's do this one. Something that I've been doing recently is putting a bright color just in the inner corner, and I kind of don't blend it, so it's just like a circle right there. I've been really feeling that lately. The next shade I really love is this one. It's kind of like the other pink one where you would just it's kind of like a clear highlighter with like glitter in it. Yeah, I like putting that in the inner corner, and then sometimes like on the cheekbones. I think it looks really good. What else? So we got that. Like I said, I don't really like this one, so these 3 for sure. And then it's gonna be I think it's gonna be this dark one. It's like a dark brown. This shade is probably my favorite one of her favorite matte of all her palettes, just because this is like perfect for my eyebrow. It's like cool toned enough so I can put it in my eyebrow, and it like, so I think of the eyebrow as like 2 layers. There's like the hairs in the front, and there's like the shadow in the back. I think the one in the back has to be like ashier, so the hairs kind of like protrude forward, if that makes sense. So I really enjoy that. And then for my last one, it's honestly super hard. I want to choose this one, but I haven't really used this shade. Let me see. Oh, it's like I love it, but no, I think I've never used this one. I don't really use her metallic ones. I feel like there are better ones. So I'm probably going to have to go with this light brown, only because you can throw this in your crease and just kind of be done. It's kind of like a very, very cool tone. So I could throw it on my crease, or sometimes I just put it on my lower lash line to create that like gloomy boy effect. So yeah, I think that is going to be it for my palettes. Yeah, so it's going to be that, this, that, and that. Favorite. So yeah. Hopefully you guys found this video beneficial if you wanted to buy the palette, and like what you could use the shades for. You can find me on Twitter at EricQ24053, Snapchat at EricQ24053. You can find me on Instagram at EricNerd, TikTok at EricQuezada8, and I will see you guys in the next video. See ya.